Okay. That was just heavy. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna grub. So, let me just not spill that sauce because I got carpet in here. But I gotta move this. You guys don't even want to know what this is sitting on. My palettes, okay? So if that falls, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my content, but today is a different, it's not different, it's food. Okay, so we got some Popeye's chicken here, and I was watching Loves the other day, and she ate Popeyes, and dude, I really wanted Popeyes so bad. It was like a Monday or something, and I was like, dude, I can't do it. I gotta wait because your girl needed to wait. But can you see the steam on this pasta right now? It's a little bit better, but this meal was like inspired by Loves, because this is actually her pasta sauce, her SMACKALICIOUS sauce. I made it into pasta. I just thought I wanted to try it because you know how when you try butter pasta, it's kind of like the same thing, but it just has all these spices in it. And then my mouth is watering, and I just thought you know, I just make it seafood and then, you know, add all the lime and everything to it. I don't know. This is gonna be my first time trying it, so hopefully it comes out. It's yummy-licious, okay? There you go. Trying to make a word. Okay, I got chopsticks. So I got Thai chili right here. I don't know if you can see it. Thai chili, biscuits, and some chicken. And I was eating this one, so I'm just gonna eat it. And they didn't give me any sauce. I'm kind of sad. Let's not that be the first bite. Let's try this. Mmm. Oh wow. That's delicious. Okay. Mmm. Mm-mm. I was not expecting that. Cucumber. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Popeyes didn't give me any sauce. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. I've been thinking about this pasta. I don't know if anyone's made it. Let me know in the comments down below if anyone's made this. Because, wow. Amazing. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. What? I'm gonna say it again. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. I was not expecting that. Again, I said that in my last video. When I did her first time doing her sauce, I was not expecting all the flavor. Oh man, it's amazing with pasta. What? What? Mmm. Mmm. I'm so excited. Mmm. Whoa. Girl, calm down. Calm down. I have honey. So, I've never tried their one of their sauce. And the lady was like, yeah, I'll give it to you. And yeah, when I got home, I didn't get any sauce. So, yeah, there you go. There you go, lady. You did not hook me up like you said. Lies. Mmm. Got some honey. 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 Oh my gosh, doesn't get so messy. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. I'm just so excited right now about this pasta. It's so good. Mmm. It reminds me of a pasta I've tried. I don't know. So bomb though. I have sweet chili sauce. I am. I haven't had Popeyes in a while. Not funny. It's because I used to have to drive like 15 minutes away just to get it. And now it's like literally not even 10 minutes from where I live. And like I'd never go. The last time I had it was the blackened chicken. Oh, did I forget I had fries? Oh my gosh. I did. I forgot. And biscuits dry. Look at that cluster. Okay. I'm just gonna talk about it. So I know I got a lot of like really mean comments in my last video. It was like a haul video. Like I got a lot of comments. Honestly, a lot of people were pissed because I didn't put, my clips weren't long enough of me trying on the clothes. It's crazy because when I was editing the video, I was picking at myself, okay? I'm very self-conscious of my body. So like I didn't want to show a lot of it because like I don't like the way I looked. And you know, so that's, and then like, so one of the dresses, I wore it like kind of wrong. I know. I already know. Excuse me. Like, I don't really know how to pose like in like a camera. Like if someone was shooting it for me, I actually shot that myself, so yeah. I really love the clothes, but it was really hard for me to edit that video. I was picking myself a lot, and I'm sorry that it wasn't like what you guys wanted. Okay, so like before I put out the video, it was like me thinking like, oh my gosh, they're gonna call me all kinds of names. Like I know it's the internet, like I want to get so much hate and stuff. Anyways, but I was picking at myself. Like it's funny because I did get comments saying like they love the outfits and stuff, but they wish the clips were longer, and I'm sorry that I did that. I know. But I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, instead of leaving a comment and then having to comment over again, I just wanted to explain myself. I know I'm not alone when it comes to, you know, the way we are at ourselves. I know we all pick on our own selves, the way we look and stuff like that. I know I'm gonna get comments saying, you know, well, you should love yourself, and you know, I've struggled with it like for a very, very long time, loving myself, and I honestly, I do love myself. Oh, that was kind of creepy. Oh, aren't these the cutest cucumbers ever? I got these from Walmart. They come in a bag. Mmm. If you have not tried the Bloves sauce, this is another excuse to make it, because you can add it to pasta and it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. If you have not tried Bloves sauce, I know I talked about it in my last video, but I put it in pasta and it was really, really delicious. Like, wow. Blew my mind. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will see you guys later, and I hope you guys have a great holiday. I was gonna film where the tree was, but the kids were out there and they're watching their shows, so yeah, I just filmed in here today. It is so I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Liz. Bye.